In this video, I'll show you how to add a document directly to your iPhone or iPad home screen. This lets you open important files with just one tap. First, open the Files app. Make sure your document is saved, and you know where it's located. It can be a PDF, Word file, or any document. Now open the Shortcuts app. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Tap Add Action. Search for Open File and select it. Tap File, then browse and choose the document you want. Tap the shortcut name at the top. Rename it to match your document name. This is optional, but recommended. Tap Done. Now tap the Share icon. Select Add to Home Screen. You can customize the icon if you want. Tap Add. That's it. Your document is now on the home screen. Tap it anytime to open the file instantly. Like the video if this helped. Subscribe for more iPhone and iPad tips.